Hello all, today's recipe is mini Mysore masala dosa. So let's start. Add half cup of urad dal, 1 cup of idli rice, 1 cup of parboiled rice, half teaspoon of chana dal, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Wash it for 5 times and then leave it to soak for 3 hours. After 3 hours, remove the water and add half cup of poha into it. So poha helps in bringing crispiness to your dosa. Now just mix well. Add 1 cup of water and grind it, then soak for overnight. So this is the batter after getting fermented. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to it. To make masala, add sufficient oil to the pan on medium flame, followed by half tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, five green chilies, slit them before adding, one medium-sized chopped onion, few chopped ginger. Saute it well. Add few curry leaves and salt according to your taste. Half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Half cup of peas. 1 tablespoon of gram flour, but dissolve it in water before adding to the pan. One cup of water, 1 cup of boiled potatoes. Leave for 2 to 3 minutes. When you get thick consistency, switch off the flame. Place the pan on medium heat and spread the batter slowly in circular motion. You can even apply oil or ghee. Then add the masala on your dosa. And there you go, you have a perfect crispy Mysore masala dosa. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification.